How to delete Google account on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can delete Google account on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there could be two things that you're talking about. If you're talking about only deleting or removing the Google account from your iPhone, that also I will show you. Or if you're talking about closing your Google account and deleting it completely from your iPhone, that too I will show you. To get started with the first process, you can try to open the settings application here, and you should be able to see a list of all these options, where first of all you want to go to mail, go to accounts, select the Gmail account that you want to remove from your iPhone, and then tap on delete account to remove them. This is called removing and not deleting. Now the other is if you want to delete the account itself. Now for this, all you have to do is actually launch any Google app. It could be Google Drive, Google Photos, or whatever else you prefer here. It could be any Google app. Tap the profile icon, go to manage your Google account here, and then just go to this option called data and privacy. Once you go to data and privacy, scroll down all the way to the bottom and select delete your Google account. Once you tap on delete your account, follow the instructions and enter your password to completely delete your Google account. Now as I said, two things over here is, are you talking about removing the account or are you talking about deleting the account? I've showed you both, so if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.